A mí me gustan las formas básicas. Eso es muy tierno. A.
A preposition meaning to or for, indicating the recipient of the action. Pronounced
A.
like the in father. It's a crucial element in Spanish grammar, showing indirect object pronouns. Here, it indicates that the speaker likes the basic forms.
Mi.
A personal pronoun meaning me or to me, indicating the person who likes the basic forms pronounced.
Me.
It is the first person singular pronoun in the indirect object position.
Me.
A personal pronoun meaning me, functioning as the indirect object pronoun, receiving the action of gustan. Pronounced
Me.
It's crucial in showing who experiences the liking of basic forms.
Gustan.
A conjugated verb meaning a pleasing or like. The third person plural form of gustar, to please, pronounced
Gustan.
It agrees with the plural subject.
Las formas básicas.
Note that
Gustar.
is an impersonal verb. The thing liked is the subject, and the person who likes it is the indirect object.
Las.
A definite article meaning the feminine plural form. Pronounced
Las.
It precedes the plural feminine noun.
Formas. Formas.
A noun meaning forms or shapes. Pronounced
Formas.
This is the plural of
Forma.
Here it refers to basic forms, presumably of something artistic or geometric.
Básicas.
An adjective meaning basic or fundamental. Feminine plural form agreeing with formas. Pronounced
Básicas.
It modifies
Formas.
to specify their simplicity. A semicolon indicating a pause between two independent clauses.
Eso.
A pronoun meaning that or it, referring back to the basic forms pronounced.
Eso.
It acts as a subject.
Es.
A verb meaning is, third person singular form of the verb, ser, to be. Pronounced
Es.
It links the subject
Eso.
to the predicate adjective.
Tierno. Muy.
An adverb meaning very or much. Pronounced
Muy.
It intensifies the adjective.
Tierno. Tierno.
An adjective meaning tender, sweet, or cute. Pronounced
Tierno.
It describes the basic forms as endearing. Putting it together.
A mí me gustan las formas básicas. Eso es muy tierno.
Means, I like the basic forms. That's very sweet, cute. The sentence expresses fondness for something simple and charming.